The Merchant and the Robber. It is a well-known proverb, blessing in disguise. The story of the merchant and the robber perfectly illustrates this truth. After a successful business trip in a city, a merchant was riding back to his village. The sky was overcast and foggy, but he hoped to reach home before the rain began. Unfortunately, while passing through a dense forest, the rain came down in heavy torrents. Unable to continue, he stopped under a thick tree, cursing the weather that had left him stranded in such a lonely and dangerous place. Suddenly, a robber emerged from the shadows, pointing a pistol at the merchant and demanding his horse and money. Instead of surrendering, the merchant bravely lunged at the robber and struck him, knocking him to the ground. The robber quickly stood up and, enraged, pulled the trigger, but the pistol didn't fire. Its gunpowder had been soaked by the rain. He tried again and again, but the weapon failed. Seizing the opportunity, the merchant grabbed the robber tightly and beating him until he fled. At that moment, the merchant realized that the very rain he had cursed had saved his life. The soaking rain had ruined the robber's pistol, sparing him from death. Moral: blessing in disguise.